If you're not using these AI apps in 2026, you're already behind. These tools can save you time, boost your productivity, and even help you make more money. Here are 5 AI apps you should start using today. Number 1, ChatGPT. This is like having a smart assistant in your pocket. You can use it for learning, business ideas, writing, research, improving your CV, and solving everyday problems. Number 2, Canva AI. Before now, you needed to pay a designer for beautiful graphics. But with Canva AI, you can create flyers, logos, presentations, and social media designs faster and easier. Number 3, CapCut AI. Want to create videos but editing feels stressful? CapCut AI can help you add captions, effects, and edit content faster, even if you are a beginner. Number 4, Gemini. This AI assistant can help you research topics, generate ideas, study better, and improve your productivity. Number 5, ElevenLabs. If you want to create faceless videos but you don't want to use your own voice, ElevenLabs can generate realistic AI voices for your content. AI is not here to replace you. It is here to help you work smarter and achieve more. Follow LevelUp Daily for more AI, money, business, and self-improvement tips. Level up your life, one day at a time.